morning, guys. Assalamualaikum. Today is Team Kirat South ride. Actually, it's an overnight ride. I am in Edsa actually. I supposed to meet Jet and the team in Edsa, but I was late for 5 minutes and they left. They left to the another meeting place in Caltex in South. So I am alone. So I am in Edsa taking Skyway and meet them in Caltex. Anyway, so we plan to ride to South in Gumaka. I think Gumaka, Pansol or somewhere. Jet arranged some private resort or something. So I said okay. I actually came from track day, Alpine Star track day yesterday, and it was raining. I didn't wash. It's totally dirty, my bike. So I will see you guys in Caltex. Actually today is Sunday. Probably there is so many people around in the meeting place. Let's see who are they. Here at the meeting place. Jawab lah. Saan ka punta? Saan ka punta?
Yan lang. Starbucks.
Starbucks?
Set up lang ako sa inyo.
Okay, okay. Dito guys, Team Kirat. Team Kirat. Bakit ka bagal? Bakit ka bagal?
Siyempre, gentulin ako eh. Bagal ako.
Bagal ka? Hi, Jack.
Cap Soriano.
Hi, Cap Soriano.
Dito, Paul.
Oh, dito. Bogi Boji.
Italia City.
Oh, shout out. Shout out. Oh. Oh, dito Papi. Kamusta Papi? Kamusta Papi?
Ayos lang.
Oh. Welcome back, Eli.
Hi.
Guys, this is our one of the Team Kirat guys. He was in Spain, Italy,
France.
France. He's stuck in COVID.
Exposure.
Yeah. He just came. This is our old friend Roy. Finally, he's riding with us. Hi, sir.
Hi, Naj.
Hi. So let me put all of them. So here is the lineup for Sunday, guys. So there are some J1000. And all the stuff. Hi sir, hi sir. Good morning. Good morning sir. Good morning. Yes.
Shout out po DJ Moto.
Hi DJ Moto. Subscribe kayo. Subscribe.
Thank you. Naj Abdul.
Subscribe.
Legendary.
Oh, ito si si Ruben. Pati. Pero he is using BMW. Hi sir. Good morning sir. Good morning. Good morning sir. Good morning ma'am. Good morning. Good morning bro. Oh, hi sir. Hi. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Burns Motorcar.
Ha?
Shout out Burns Motorcar.
First motorcar?
Burns.
Burns?
B-U-R-N-S.
Burns. Motor maniac. Maniac kan, maniac. Hi sir. Hi sir. Oh, dito guys. Sa lineup. Hi sir. Good morning. Oh, ito guys. Sayaw. Sayaw. Sayaw ka. Sayaw kay Robin.
Parang may mali ah. Amen.
Okay guys, chill ride lang tayo Huwag kayong nakataw. No yellow lines.
Ito ba yan?
No yellow lines.
Ano sabi mo?
Chill ride.
Chill ride?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Sabi mo yan ah.
No.
Overtaking on the right side.
No overtaking on the right side. No shoulder. No double yellow lines. Chill ride. Chill ride, Jet. Chill ride.
Si Jet pa sinabi.
We are actually taking off from SLEX. We're going to Quezon. So we'll see you guys in a while. Let's wait for those malupit na riders sa Team Kirat. So let's go boys. is Ruben. Andre. Maraming XR today. Joel cute. Sana sila, di ba? Joel cute with the 360. Let's ride. Here is Jet Tolin. Here is 4XR today. Yeah, boys. Roy. Yes, here is another GS. There are so many of us today. Here is Ellie. Pure XR guys. Yeah, let's go. I will see you later on our next stop over guys. Oh, dito meet up place kami sa bahay ni Kalbo. Hoy Kalbo. Oh. Oh, Erwin. Oh, Andre. Yan na guys. Ito yung lineup natin for today. So puro BMW. Ako lang yata ng ano, kundi lang Kawasaki dito. Yes. Yes. Oh. Roy. Dito guys sa lineup for today. So there are more. Oh, isa pa. Oh. Here is one of our I think you saw before in my blog this one. Yeah, this is the one. So they are actually the group. They are going to Gumaca for some charity and all the things. So anong group nyo sir?
Rugby.
Ha?
Rugby.
Club. Yeah, dito guys. Oh. Kimco Adventure Group. Oh. Follow nyo na yung page nila guys. Support kayo dito. Oh, di ba may charity sila? Oh, this is the one I showed you in my last vlog. This is actually our usual stopover when we are here in South. Sa Petron, is a big Petron. So you can see there is a all team Kirat are waiting. Yes, little bit, you know, ulan. So later. Oh.
Bakit mo naman lunch?
Anong gusto nyo? Oh. Oh. Just tell me.
Swerte mo daw. May ride ka lang.
Ito.
May ano ka pa.
Anong gawa mo papi?
Linis helmet.
Ah, linis helmet. Ah. Oh, dito mga kirat. Mga kirat, marami na kirat dito no. Oh, tingnan mo. Puno-puno dito sa South. Puro BMW. Kundi lang Kawasaki dito. So later. So I will show you when we are doing the banking. Robin on GS. Joel cute. So we'll see you in Gumaca. I think some of the subscribers are waiting for me there. So let's go. This is near to Gumaca on other side actually. See, nice place here, you know. Very nice to live this kind of places. see the view. Nice. Look at. And here, nice place to take a photos and everything here. Nice place. Actually, this road is going to be cold. I will be on this road maybe November 27 because I have some charity works for 4 days in Albay. So I will be going on this place also next week. So nice place. Railway crossing. Up. Saan kayo? Ruben, muna kayo guys, bilis nyo. Yan na. Papi June solid. Wala pala si Joel. Yes, mga chill ride boys. Let's go. Actually guys, I was planning to do some banking, but seems it's not gonna happen because raining. So I don't want to become a tosino. So let's chill ride. Sayang banking, no? Oh, sarap na banking yan, sayang. Go Joel. Really? Yeah. Eli, the French guy? Yes, brother. Let's go. Joel cute. Sayang bangingan guys. So no banking, chill ride. Ya sana tuyo ng kalsada para I can have some fun. Tuyo na, no? Tuyo na kalsada. Tuyo na. Let's go boys. Arat na. Yeah, just warm your gulong first. Tada! Yes. Halo with a silly. Yeah, I think this is a binder something. This comes with a silly. Tingnan nyo. Yeah. I am actually a spicy guy. I can eat how many silly you give, I can eat.